Hey guys, John here at 1984 Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing a smash burger on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's get started. 1 pound of hamburger I have saved in my refrigerator, and it's 80-20 ground chuck. Okay, so what I did was I went and got it, kind of just broke it up a little bit. And then what I did was I added a little bit of minced onion, some tones of minced onion to it. And then I added a little bit of Heath Riles' garlic jalapeno rub. It's pretty good stuff, guys. Here, I'll leave a link down below for the rub. And I just kind of put it in there, kind of mixed it around a little bit, and I left it in my refrigerator. So this is nice and cold. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some nice big we're going to make some balls up, because we're going to make smash burgers out of this, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a handful of meat here. I'll probably do. Nice little paw here. We're just going to kind of gently, you don't overwork your meat. Just want to gently just kind of form it into a ball, just like so. Loosely pack it, okay? Like I said, you don't want to overwork your meat, guys, okay? Just pack it just like that, okay? Just like that. All right. All right, so I got my hamburger into 4 balls, and I'm going to put them back in the refrigerator for just a little bit to kind of relax where we were working them. And then we're going to go out to the Blackstone and do some smash burgers. I'm also going to add, guys, we're outside our Blackstone, different location, right? I got one of these grill gazebos, guys. I'm just trying it out. Hey, there's my barbecue. Check out Chicken Fried Barbecue right there, Bill. Chicken Fried Barbecue. Check his YouTube channel out. He's on Instagram. Check him out on YouTube, guys. Great channel. Bill, thanks for the flag, brother. I've been meaning to get it in the video, so my apologies, but hey, great flag, man. Appreciate it. And I got barbecue over here. Sorry it's a windy day, guys, but I wanted to try the Blackstone out on something different today. We're in location underneath my grill gazebo, so forgive me for the wind blowing. Let's bring you down here to the Blackstone so you guys can see what's going on. All right, we're at our Blackstone griddle, getting it preheated up. I only got the 2 center burners on, guys, the 2 center burners, okay? Got them about, about medium, maybe a little higher than that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw down just a little bit of oil right there. Now the oil's gonna run to the back, guys. That's okay. Go ahead and just kind of spread that around a little bit for our burgers. All right, guys. We'll let this heat up a little bit more. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit one of these with that McCormick's Montreal steak seasoning, just in case it doesn't go with what I'm hoping for. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take a patty here, guys. I'm just gonna give this a nice little light coating right there of the Montreal steak seasoning. Hopefully y'all can see that. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and just lay that on there. So. Lay that one on there. So. That one there. That one there. All right. I ain't got my normal burger smasher, so wish me luck, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna continue to let these cook. I'll bring you back when we start getting a little juice on top. Not as good as crust I was looking for. Not as good as crust I was looking for, guys. I guess I didn't have it up hot enough or something. Or I didn't smash it good enough, but hey, you know what? When you're in a pinch, don't have any parchment paper, that's what you gotta do, babe. But these will still be good, all right, guys? Still be good. So I'm gonna let these finish cooking up. I'll bring you back when they get done. Toasting. They're almost there. I'm gonna go ahead and top these burgers off, guys, with a little bit of Colby and Monterey Jack shredded cheese. These other ones I'm gonna save for later, guys. I just wanted to make up ones with cheese on them. All right, guys, I'm gonna continue to let this cheese melt on these. I'm gonna let these buns get finished toasting up, and I'll see you back inside when we're ready to make this up. See you there. Got our bun here all nice and toasted. Okay, listen, nice and toasted. First thing I'm gonna start off with is a little bit of mayo. I know it's not Duke's, but I got Hellman's here. I'm gonna start off with just a little bit of mayo. You can put mayo, you can put whatever you want on your sandwich, guys. A little bit more mayo there. I like mayo, so we're just gonna get a little bit more mayo on there. All right. Now, let's add a little bit of ketchup. Just a little bit of ketchup here. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of just plain yellow mustard. See, yellow mustard. All right, nice there. All right, now I'm going to lay down some lettuce. This is just iceberg lettuce, guys. All right, there's lettuce. Now, get our burger here. There's one patty. There's two patty. Now this is the patty with the Montreal steak seasoning on it, guys, all right? Then we're gonna come back here and we're gonna top this off with a little bit of pickle. Just like that. I'm forgetting one thing, guys. Oh. Forgetting my onion. I was gonna have that onion on there. Just like so. Got some onion on there. All right. I'm gonna add a little bit of mayo to the top of this. Come back, put it all together, and let's do a quick review of what we went over with, okay? First, let me get this big bad boy here. There it is. Look at all that goodness. Look at that. All right. So, guys, what we did with this is we started out with 80-20 ground chuck. That we about 1 pound or so. Then I seasoned with Heath Riles' garlic jalapeno rub. Put a little minced onion in there, kind of just loosely, just kind of broke it up and then seasoned it. Put it back in the refrigerator. And I made the patties up, the balls up. Put them back in the refrigerator while we got the Blackstone ready to go. Got to the Blackstone, did our smash burger. Again, guys, I didn't have my smasher or parchment paper this time around, so smash wasn't as good, and the wind wasn't helping wasn't helping the Blackstone either with the wind blowing through. I need to get wind guards, okay? Anyways, guys, got that all made up. Now we put our burger together. This thing is a beast. I used some leftover French bread that I had. Hey guys, I use what I have. And you know what? Use what you have. You know, if you have buns, use buns. If you don't, use French bread. Works just as well. Look at all that goodness right there. All right, guys. Cheers. Excuse me. Guys, that is really good. Smashburger is always good. It would have been a little better if the crust would have been better, like set right with it. But again, that was my mistake. But guys, if you haven't done a Smashburger yet, give it a try. It is super awesome, super easy, and gives a great flavor. This burger has that good flavor, that garlic jalapeno rub. That one there, you can also taste that Montreal steak seasoning on there, guys. And I'll tell you, I wish I put it on the other one too, because that right there is a really good combination, guys, okay? Anyways, if you like what we're doing here at 1984 Barbecue, give us a big thumbs up on this video. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you like this video. If you do, think about hitting that subscribe button to check out our other videos. Also, don't forget to ring that bell to let you know when I put out new content. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate all my subscribers. I really